Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna talk about a simple formula for organizing agree and disagree essay. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. This is a Band 9 guide to writing agree and disagree essays in IELTS writing. Agree or disagree essay questions are very common for IELTS writing task 2. This type of questions asks you to say whether you agree or disagree with a given statement and justify your opinion. Agree or disagree question asks you to clearly determine whether you agree or disagree with the statement. Unlike questions that ask you to what extent do you agree or disagree, this question asks you to have a super clear opinion. After you've decided your opinion, generate 2 to 3 supporting points for it. For paragraph formula, paragraph 1, introduction. Paragraph 2, body. Paragraph 3, body, repeat the above. Paragraph 4, conclusion. Paragraph 1, introduction. Sentence 1 states the premise that the essay will address. You can simply rephrase the words in the task. Sentence 2 states your opinion in the matter. Say whether you agree or disagree with it. Sentence 3 briefly outlines what you are going to write in the next 2 paragraphs to support your opinion. Paragraph 2, body. First sentence, topic sentence tells the reader what this paragraph is about by introducing your first point. Second sentence assumes that the reader doesn't know anything about this topic and explains your point clearly.
Third sentence gives a real-life or made-up example that illustrates and supports this point. Fourth sentence concedes to a relevant opposing position but redirects to yours. Third body paragraph. First sentence is, topic sentence tells the reader what this paragraph is about by introducing second point. Second sentence assumes that the reader doesn't know anything about this topic and explains your point clearly. Third sentence gives a real-life or made-up example that illustrates and supports this point. Fourth sentence concedes to a relevant opposing position, but redirects to yours. Fourth and last paragraph, conclusion. First sentence, rephrase your opinion and sum up your 2 supporting points. Second sentence, make a prediction or a recommendation based on what you have said. Vocabulary for the introduction part. In the introduction part of your IELTS essay, you should write sentences relevant to the topic given and generally accepted ideas about it. Use your best English here, as it will attract or bore your reader about the whole writing. You will make or break your impression in this paragraph. Be very cautious about the introduction part. Never just copy the sentence of the question. If you really need to, use synonyms and different sentence structure. Useful vocabulary or phrases to open and start the essay. Many or some people claim or opine or believe that. There is no denying that. It is often said that these days or nowadays or in this day and age. It goes without saying that. It is universally accepted that. We live in an age when many of us are. People are divided in their opinion regarding. Is one of the most important issues. Whether or is a controversial issue. Useful vocabulary and phrases to end the introduction part. Let us examine both views before reaching a concrete decision. The following paragraphs discuss whether or and reach a reasonable conclusion. The following essay takes a look at both sides of the argument. My 2 cents go for. However, I strongly believe that. I oppose the view and my reasons will be explained in the following paragraphs. I will support this view with arguments in the following paragraphs. I personally believe that. Thus the advantages far outweigh the disadvantages. I wholeheartedly believe that this trend should be changed. Vocabulary for the second paragraph part. It is true that. First. First of all. Firstly. First and foremost. Initially. To begin with. To start with. Let us take a look at. It is worth considering. In the first place. Though it is true that. Some people believe that. Many people think that. According to many. Some people believe that. Many support the view that. On the one hand. Vocabulary for the third and fourth paragraph part. Secondly, not second of all. Thirdly. Then. Next. After that. And. Again. Also. Besides. Likewise. In addition. Consequently. What's more? Furthermore. Moreover. Other people think that. Other people believe that. On the other hand. Apart from that. Finally. Last but not least. Vocabulary to sum up at the end of a paragraph. To sum up. In short. In a word. To put it simply. That is to say. To repeat in short. To summarize. Vocabulary for expressing agreement. In agreement or disagreement essay, you will often need to express whether you agree or disagree, or partially agree with a given statement or opinion. These vocabularies would be helpful to express your agreement with something. I quite agree that. I strongly agree. I completely agree that. I totally agree with the given idea that. I agree with the opinion that. I am quite inclined to the opinion that. I could not agree more. I concur with the group who believe that. I accept that. I accept the fact that. I approve the idea. I am in agreement. I consent that. Vocabulary for expressing disagreement. Following are some useful vocabulary to use whenever you want to express your disagreement with an idea, opinion, or statement. You will usually use those in agreement or disagreement type IELTS essay. I disagree with the opinion that. I strongly disagree. I completely disagree with. I totally disagree with the given idea that. I disagree with the statement. I quite oppose the opinion that. I disapprove that. I totally do not accept the fact that. My own opinion contradicts. I disagree with the group of people. However, my opinion is different. Vocabulary for expressing partial agreement. In some cases, you will have opinion or point of view that would not completely agree or disagree with a given opinion or statement. In this case, you should clearly mention that you partially agree with the opinion, but, to some extent, you also disagree to this. In these cases, using the following vocabulary will be very helpful. To some extent. In a way. I agree with the given statement to some extent. Up to a point, I agree. More or less. So to speak. Best of luck. And thanks for watching it. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And press the bell icon.